Listen me carefully. You can always increase your domain portfolio by selling domains, not buying domains. Because I want to invest my money. I want to invest my money. Where? Gold, silver, diamond, stocks.com. Can I start my investment in .coms? Why you should invest in domains? So many people ask me all the time that why should I invest in domains? I personally prefer domain for investment. I never invest my money in gold, in silver, in stock. I'm not saying that all those platforms, all those commodities, all those things are not right for the investment. But why I personally believe in .coms, why I personally believe in domains? Because the very straightforward thing I know, when I started my investment journey, I didn't have more than 700 rupees in my pocket, and let me tell you, it's a $10. So you cannot open demat account with $10. You cannot open account for trading for stocks. Yeah, you cannot invest $10 in gold, or you cannot invest $10 in any other commodities. But yes, if you have brain, if you have skills, if you can do a great research, trust me, the domain investment is the best investment ever you made in your life. Just Google how to buy a domain and you will find 3, 4, 5, 10 different platforms, GoDaddy, domain.com, and so many more other platforms like BigRocks and all, right? Reseller clubs and all. You just go, sign up and open your account free of cost. You can buy domain with your brain. Just research whatever the keywords come in your mind. Just research. If you don't know how to start with it, you start with your own name. My name is Anuj Jassani. I start with my company name, but yeah, eventually my personal name was the third or fourth domain I bought. So just like that, you should invest in domain and start with your name. Domain name start with your name, and you always have 100 options. Start with dictionary, right? I personally prefer that you should start your day one with the dictionary. Just after buying your own names, you know very well, I know very well, everybody knows very well that dictionary words are not available since so many years. But if you do this practice, you will understand that how to buy the domain. Your mind will work like that. Your mechanism of the mind will change, and you will understand. You will learn so many keywords. Vocabulary will improve like anything, and then you no need dictionary after a couple of months or a year. That's how you can start your journey of domain investment. Today, I started with just one. At the time, I had only 700 rupees, $700 in my pocket. But now I have more than 500 .coms, and I believe in .coms only because there are 1,000 plus TLD. You will be confused. What should I buy? Should I buy a .com? Should I buy a .in? Should I buy a .net? What? Because .net, why? .com, why? So stay specific. Research enough before you start your investment journey. Research enough about domains, what to buy, when to buy, how to buy. So go and first do your research. When I personally start my journey of domain investment, I know there are only four articles were available on the internet. Yes, that's the real numbers. And today, just go and Google it. There are more than 1,000 articles are available on name.com, namecheap.com, godaddy.com, domain.com. There are lots of articles, lots of videos available on GoDaddy, lots of videos available on YouTube. Start your journey now. Invest in domain now. And my suggestion is to you is that domain and .com only, because I believe that domain is .com as a consumer, not as an investor, right? If I'll go in Google, whatever the name are there on my mind, what I will do? I'll just say .com. If I know something, some name of company like GoDaddy, I'll search GoDaddy.com. If I know some company like Apple, I want to research about something about Apple. If I want to go and search a product of Apple, I just go and Google Apple.com, Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, BudgetOkay.com. So .com is the practical domain, right? You can invest in all other TLDs. There are so many investors. I just talked to one of my friend. I cannot say where he's working, but he's so senior. He's working since 17 years in this industry, this domain and the servers and technology and all these things. And he said me that one investor is there who has more than 23,000 .net. Can you believe it? I don't have even one. So, see, I always believe that intuitions are everything, right? Your inner guts, your inner voice is everything. If your heart is saying that yes, there is a future in .net, do your enough research and go and buy .net. It's simple. There is no rocket science. If entire world is buying .com, if entire world is familiar with .com, so why not .com? Yes. You need some skills. Yes, you need some skills. You need some talent. You need some talent of research. Without talent, you cannot buy .com. Go and just search 100 articles. Go and read 100 articles today. Just start from today and finish it within 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 days. You can, right? And then go and invest. But don't miss this opportunity, because you don't know this is something, it's a hidden treasure. I started before 10 years and I'm still investing. Before recording this video, I just invest in 10 new domains. Can you believe it? Yes. And domain is the only property, digital property, where you can get the maximum amount of return in the minimum investment. Can you believe the maximum amount of returns in the minimum amount of investment? That's why I personally invest my each and every single penny in the domains. Just go and Google and GoDaddy.com, search your name, buy your .com, and your journey is begin. All right, your journey is begin. Now go and Google it. Do not invest in so many domains for a longer period of time. All right, go and do your enough research. Go and do your enough research before you buy your second domain. All right, open your account on GoDaddy, buy your own domain, and then stop. Go and Google 100 different articles of domain and just read all the articles on domain.com, on GoDaddy.com, on all the other platforms where all the articles are there related to domains. Once you finish your journey of learning, then start your investment and learn while you invest. That's how you can start your journey of domain investment. Then invest in 1 million domains. There is no limits, and still there are .coms available. All right, just need to understand the mechanism of keywords. You need to understand where market is going. You need to understand where future is going. You need to understand that what people are buying and what people are selling. Go and watch Squad Help. Go and watch Namecheap.com. Go and watch Flippa.com. Go and watch every single platform who are selling the domains and who are buying and selling the domains, just like DomainNameSell.com, DomainMarket.com. Understand everything, right? Read 100,000, 2,000, 5,000 domains. All their portfolios are available on their websites. So just go and listen, watch and read. You will understand everything about domains, and then you will start thinking about the names. And once the process will start of thinking, you will observe everything. you will inspire from everything, and you will go, I know you will go and research the domain for the same thing. So do this process, and then just go ahead and search domain for every single thing, just like this corona thing is going right now, right? I'm recording this video in this corona pandemic. So I personally booked one domain and I lose two domains. I book coronabazaar.com, but I lose two different domains, which is coronacharity.com and GoCoronaGo, which is viral music video, right? So it's all about the time. If you know where to buy, when to buy, how to buy, and when to sell, that's it. It's not, it's not new, I know. I'm investing in .com since last 10 years. I'm late for posting this video, but if you are not in this business, this is your day one. Start your domain investment journey today itself. Listen me carefully. Do not invest in any other commodity for next 2, 3, 5 years. Yes, do not invest in any other commodities for next 2, 3, 5 years. Just go and Google it, how to buy a .com domain. Open your account in a GoDaddy.com right now. Why not other? There are so many platforms, but I personally maintain my entire portfolio on GoDaddy.com. Why? GoDaddy is providing me any other privileges? No, but GoDaddy is safe, secure, and highly technologically upgraded. Okay, in my portfolio there is no any other TLDs available because it's very simple game. I personally invest in .coms because it's very easy, that it's easy to sell and hard to buy. That's why I personally invest in .com. I spend my hours and hours to buy one single .com, the best. Sometimes I buy in a seconds, sometimes I buy in a minutes, and sometimes it takes 2, 3, 5, 10 days to buy a one .com, good .com domain, right? So it's always hard to buy and easy to sell, which is .com. And if your mind is working very differently in terms of keywords, in terms of thinking, in terms of research, you can think so wisely, like you can think about each and every single businesses in the world. You can have a best domain in this world. Just like I have a couple of domains which I'm surprised that I have those domains. budgetok.com, conditionapply.com, right? birthdaymarket.com, google.com. So these are the .coms. These are just like a dream. So if you want the domains, the .com like this, you should work on your brain. There is no other investment, right? When you go and buy gold, you have to put up money. Invest in any other commodity like property or gold or silver or stocks, you have to put out the money. Here, less money, more brain. So be smart enough to invest in your .coms. If you have a confidence on your brain that you can research a great names, there are so many articles also available on the Google. You can just go and Google it. The best name suggestion for the healthcare industry or Ayurvedic industry or these or that industry. You will find 2, 3, 500,000 names. Just read those names, search in domain panel, and then make a few names with the mixing of those names. Then eventually we'll grow with these things. So where I can sell my brandable domains, right? If you invest in brandable domains, you have a great platform available on the internet, just like BrandPa or BrandBucket or Flippa.com, right? So there are a couple of more platforms, God help, right? There are a couple of more platforms available on the internet. You can sell your domains. So once you understand how to buy a domain, which domain is good to buy, you should always learn how to sell. If you love your domain, if you keep your domain always in your pocket, listen me carefully, one day you gonna broke like anything. Sometimes it happens that domainers have 1,000 domains, but they don't have money for renewals. So renewals are always challenge, always the biggest challenge for the domain investment, and people do not take it serious in initial stage, and that's why they suffer at the time of renewals. So if you know how to sell your domain, you will win this game. Listen me carefully, you know how to sell not buy, because you will learn how to buy a domain in couple of days, in couple of months. That is a process, right? But when you are going to sell your domain, you need to understand technical things. You will go and research about Scott Hall, you will go and research about Brand Bucket, BrandPie, and all different platform. And once you open the accounts on all different platform and start selling your domain, you are in the real game. You are in the real game, and you can always increase your portfolio by selling domains, not buying domains. Listen me carefully. You can always increase your domain portfolio by selling domains, not buying domains. Because when you sell your domain, you have the revenue, you have the money in your pocket, in your bank, and you can buy 1,000 domain by selling only one domain. Because you can always sell your domain in $5,000, $10,000, and buying is only cost you $7. So learn selling before you learn buying, right?